So I'm in the midst of doing a co-op with Bankable. They're a not-for-profit company that works with clients that can't really get loans from banks. So they come to them, they work with them, trying to get loans and try to better their business. I work directly under the marketing manager, so I've gotten a lot of experience that I wouldn't necessarily get at a corporation. I take a lot of things that I've used in some of my classes and that some of my professors and my case studies have said to actually help projects in my own internship and my co-op right now. And it's really made it a lot easier, and my boss is actually very impressed with some of the things I come up with just because I'm learning every single day. And so he's really loving that. This program has really set me up for great things in the future. I think that I'm a more confident professional, I think I'm a more confident student, and I feel very comfortable in a business setting now. If you're looking for a program that helps you grow as a professional, a student, and a person, then this is the program for you. The Anderson University MBA program really is for everybody.